Hey guys, I just want to let you know for these beautiful cake stand, I give it a 5 star. They are so beautiful and it will give any birthday party theme a great look. So the first step I did was blow the balloons and I made sure they are the same size. Then after I make sure the same size, I just tie it around together and then I make a set of two first of two balloons and then I just attach it all together and just flip it around to make one whole set of fourth. And then after I make the whole set of fourth, I will just keep blowing four more balloons and do the same step I did first, attaching them together and putting them two by two and then put in a set of four. And then after I'm done with making the set of four, I'm going to take the other four that I did and put it on top. Then I'm just going to take a string, anything that you have, a string, ribbons, whatever you have. And then I would just put it around it and make sure I tie it very good so the balloons can be secure with each set. And you just go around it and tie it and it will make you the whole set. And that will be it for the top set. So after that, I would just take the stand and I will put the four balloons at the bottom to cover my stand. And then I just slide these beautiful flower that I got in Efavormart. I will have the link down below where you can get them. And I just put it around it. And then after that, I would just put the four set of balloon that I did first and put it on top. Just slide it down, and it will stay on place. I got this clear balloon at Efavormart as well. I will put the link down below. So the first thing you will do is just stretch your balloon and then you will stretch it horizontal. So you will try to stretch it for a little while and then you will stretch it horizontal and then you will stretch it vertical. So this will go to 18 inches. So just make sure to stretch it for a little while if you want them to blow big. If not, they will blow little. So after you stretch them all the way from both sides, the next step that you will do is before you blow it is I decided to put this glitter paper inside the balloon because I didn't want it to be all clear. I wanted to have something inside. So what I did is I got this paper, glitter paper at Dollar Tree, and then you take your big thumb and then you just push it down all the way inside. You don't have to put it all the way inside as long as you put it a little bit through. So when you blow the balloons with the air pump, it should be able to go right inside. But then after I did that, I put it inside, I decided to put a little flower as well. So I just took a flower and folded it around and put it inside the same way I did with the paper. So then you just push it down and it should be pretty simple to go inside. So after you do that, you would just have to do is blow your balloon. I went ahead and blow my balloon and you just blow it as big as you would like. And this is what turns out. So after I blow the balloons, I just tied a tulip. You would just take the balloon and put it on top, and then you will take your string and then just put it through the other balloons to attach your balloon on top. So after you just go through all the balloons on top so it can secure your balloon on top, and then it will look perfectly just like that.